in Tunisia again, and I'm going on another hike. This time we're in a place called Ouad Zitoun. Where there's Ouad Zitoun, it means Lake of Olives. It should be an interesting hike. It should be a little harder than usual, which is good. I'm looking forward to it. But the big feature in this hike is some big cascades or waterfalls, as we say in English. We already started a little bit, and it has a big muddy spot in the back there that everybody's kind of struggling. Always wear good shoes when you're going on these kind of hikes. The sun seems to be shining. It's a little overcast, but the sun peeking through now and then. So far so good. Let me continue. This is the big waterfall. It doesn't look like much from here because you just see the stream coming down and flowing over. But from the other side, you'll see how big this drop is. It's about 300 feet. It's really, really nice. I can't wait to show you guys how it looks from the other end. Now, isn't that just fantastic? Look at that. Oh, is that, you know, a farmer is passing with his cows, taking the same track as we are. Yeah, taking the same track as we are. You know, it's so good. We're seeing nature, we're seeing how the locals live, the farmers. Amazing. I'm just so happy I was able to catch that. Look at the terrain, all this rocky formation, you know, deep valley and crevices, rocks. It makes me feel like Frodo in Lord of the Rings, climbing through to Mount Doom. I'm a nerd, I can't hide it. I was over on that side, taking video of the waterfall. Now we're on the other side, and the waterfall here. We're gonna head down into the valley, right as close as we could get, so we could see the waterfall from below. What is it about waterfalls? So magnificent. I love it. Believe me, if it wasn't this cold, I would have been in there taking a bath. Alright, wait, just now. Alright, better lighting. We had lunch right below the waterfall. Really, really nice. And now we're going to continue the hike. That's the river running right there, and we're hiking down. And as with any river on hills, it breaks into waterfalls ever so often. But that was years ago before I had my YouTube channel. So I'm glad I'm finally able to come back let you guys see how fantastic this place is. What I like about here is that the terrain changes so much. We have woods, actual pine trees in the back of me here, grass, farmland. We hiked through more farmland in the back there. Then you saw it was very rocky, valleys of just rocks and hills, and then waterfalls. It's like this area has a little bit of everything. And don't forget the lake. Right behind these trees is the lake. It's just great. I'm with my friend. What's your name?
Jalila.
Jalila. And we hiked out and we're now on the barrage that created the lake.
Yes.
So, how was it so far, Jalila?
It's been quite...
Quite the adventure?
Yes.
Yes. And it's really beautiful, but we're a bit tired. It's been long.
Tired.
Alright, but it's worth it, right?
Yes, it's worth it. Definitely.
Excellent. We're going to used to be a train bridge, and it used to come, the tracks used to come here, and behind there was a tunnel where it used to go through that hill. Randonnée. I want to thank Hamli. It was an excellent randonnée. Thank you so much for organizing it.
Thank you, Halmi.
Alright, so I hope you guys like the video. If you like what you see, hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.
Bye.